A Chinese-built copper mine was officially put into operation Friday in Queensland, Australia. Designed and built by Sino-Steel, this is the first copper mining plant that was constructed by a Chinese company in Australia. The new plant, Rocklands Copper Mine, is a subsidiary of Australian copper producer Codelco. It delivered its first shipment of sulfide copper concentrate to China just days ago. According to Jiang Jiqing, head of the Economic and Commercial Office of Consulate General of China in Brisbane, the new mine shows a win-win cooperation between China and Australia. Minister assisting the Premier on North Queensland, Coralie O'Rourke, said it will help boost the state's economy and provide more job opportunities to the local community.